How to draw isometric drawings in the AutoCAD software. So first of all, we will go to our AutoCAD software. So open our AutoCAD software. So here we can see our grid lines. So we have seen the basics. So we have seen the file. So this is edit, view menu, this is the insert menus for adding the blocks and everything. So this is the format menu, toolbars, draw menu, dimensions, modify, and express. So window. So this is the command area. So while drawing in isometric, it will be in 30 degrees only. The plane will be. So for activation of isometric plane, so we have to click snap STYL command. So we have to give snap STYL command. So it is going to ask a value, enter a value. So we have to enter. I'm giving 1. So see, our arrow has been changed. So I will close the grid by clicking F7. So we will take line for that, L, enter. So see, so it automatically coming at 150. So we have to get 90 degrees. So for that click F8. So it will come only in right angles. So I'm going this as. So first of all, we have to change our units. For that, UN enter. So here I'm going to take in feet and inches. So I'm taking the architecture. So this has precision as 0, 0 and this has inches. Click on OK. So after that we go to D, enter. So then we have to go to modify. So then go to primary units. Here also we have to change to architectural 0, 0. OK and click on set current. So that only it will be set. So now we will draw. So take the line L, enter. So I'm drawing this as 10 feet. So then the upward 8 feet. So again this side 10 feet. So again I'm joining here, and so I want to change the plane. So I'm drawing a cube. So for that click the F5. So each time you click it will change the direction. So I'm taking this side also 10 feet and this side also 10 feet, and I'm joining here. So again press F5. So it will come upwards. So 8 feet. So now I will join this part and again I will draw this. For that F5. So go to 10 feet. So again I'm going downwards, again upwards, and click on F5. So joined here. So we have made a cube. So we have made the cube diagram. So we can draw anything like this. So in this offset it won't be work. So in this isometric we have to use what? Copy command. We have to use the copy command. It will come only 90 degrees, not in incline. So we have to take copy. So for that go to copy, enter, CO, enter. So select this object. So select a base point here. So we can give the offset here. So we have to go to the snap icon settings. So select all so that all points will be selected. So now go to CO. So now we will draw another ellipse axis end, and again select ISO circle, click on enter. So again go to this center point, so selecting over here. So and again now I will move my circle, select this one. So now select this point to this point. So I will delete this one, this line too. So we have created a circle, we will create another circle over here. So now we will copy this circle, copy, select object, enter. So this intersection point to this intersection point. So we will take one line command. So we have to connect the quadrant points. So now we will trim this. So now we will trim this one. So this object is created. So now we will delete this, trim this part. So here also we have to trim this. Select this one. So again take over. So again go to draw, ellipse, axis end, click on ISO circle, enter. So give some radius. So we can do 3. So we will delete the center line. So here you can see the object is created. So we can give the dimension for this object. So go to dimension, click on align. So see first point and second point. See, then enter. So here you can see the radius, and here also you can see this. So it is also of 10. So you can change this dimension, go to enter, modify, text, and select ISO standard, OK, and set current, close. So now we go to align, modify. So see it has came. So this is how we can give the dimension to this. So again we will draw some box here. So copy this object, select this point, and select over here, and here too. So again copy this line. So I'm selecting base point as like this, and over here. Go to trim, tr, enter. So now select the part which we don't want. select this one. So again we can draw the lines. So click on F5, and here we can go to line, select this part, enter, select the line, go to this, enter, go to line, so now trim this. So now you can see it has things like the opening part. So you can view the hatchings also. So I'm taking this one, the scale of 1, select the pick point, select this one, enter and OK. So it has came, but the scale should be less. So I'm going to decrease the scale also, 0.25. See here we can see, so we can draw this isometric diagrams by using this snap style method. So you can draw so many diagrams using this isometric 3D diagrams. So this is how we can draw isometric diagrams in AutoCAD. Thank you.